We're following the money tonight in this next story. The West Virginia First Foundation, a group tasked with allocating the state's opioid settlement funds, just recently announced what organizations were picked to receive the initial grant funds. Our Anna Saunders spoke with some of the ones who were awarded.
Of the 174 applications for the first round of the West Virginia First Foundation funding, 38 organizations were picked. The Nicholas County Health Department was one of them.
We're really excited to see that the First Foundation has funded several primary prevention projects across the state in a variety of things. And I think that we can use these to learn from one another and really see what's working, what works well, what doesn't work. How could we adapt this and model this for other communities?
They received about $150,000 to help start an integrated community engagement or ICE collaborative program in Nicholas County, which is a prevention program designed to stop substance use before it starts. It's centered around giving young people more access to activities like the outdoors, art, music, to help cultivate interests outside of high-risk behavior. Stewart says it's a program that's been implemented in Fayette and Wyoming counties and is having success.
They've cut their substance use, like with tobacco, in half. They've reduced that by about 50%. Cannabis use is down about 40%. E-cigarette use is down about the same amount.
The West Virginia Court-appointed Special Advocates Association, or CASA, was selected to receive almost $280,000. This organization is made up of about 400 volunteers in the state who are court-appointed to advocate for children in abuse and neglect cases.
Across the state, we're seeing a decline of the number of children coming into foster care, but CASA programs, we're actually seeing sort of the inverse of that. We're seeing a stronger reliability or a larger ask for community advocates to be working with young people who've experienced abuse or neglect.
Right now, CASA is in 32 of the 55 counties. Gray is hopeful that this funding could help expand their footprint.
So we'll distribute that funding among those 11 local CASA programs. And the intent will really be to support and strengthen our volunteer network.
At the end of all the pending opioid litigation lawsuits, the West Virginia First Foundation anticipates in total they will have dispersed or have plans to disperse about $1 billion in all. Stewart says the heaviness of how the state got here needs to be honored in how the funds are spent.
We need to be really thoughtful of why that funding is available and that many people lost their lives or their loved ones for this. And so to really honor the hardship and the true sadness of what happened to our state.
In Charleston, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.
Thanks for watching. Here's another video from Eyewitness News. And click here to subscribe to our channel to get the latest.